installation that looks just like a farm. When the fair came to me, they actually get to choose what they want. So this fair said that they wanted to have a farm with animals. They told me some of which animals they wanted. So really, I make whatever people want. There are animals that are particularly challenging. My horse right here, particularly challenging. And so as we can see, I'm putting it off till the last minute. The second I finish my 3 o'clock demonstration, I'm going to start right on the horse. This is my last day. I have to get that horse done. So we're going to have a horse on display, and it's going to be the most realistic character. These look like cartoon characters. Over there you'll see a pig. That looks like a cartoon character. But the horse, that's going to be kind of the showpiece, so we're going to make that look really good. Right out of high school, I went to circus school, a small circus school, juggling, unicycle, tightrope walking. I went there to learn how to juggle better. And it didn't take long to find out that back then, when I started in the 1980s, that if you put a clown suit on, you could be a juggler as a job. Now you can be a juggler as a job anyway, but then clown suit was your avenue in. Well, along with clowning, clowns make balloons, so here I am making balloons. About 2004, I saw the largest balloon display I had ever seen. It wasn't really that large, but to me it was huge. And it clicked. You can make anything with balloons. So now I make anything. You know, this is temporary art. This is meant to be seen for just a little while, and then it's gone. But you know something? People look just a little bit harder because they know this isn't going to be here tomorrow. They will come in and they will look at every little detail, knowing if they miss something, they're not going to see it again. And I always think of it in the same way as the seasons. We live in a community that has 4 seasons, and boy, when we get to summer around here, we like suck the marrow out of that summer. We just love every single minute of it. And you know why? Because it's not going to be here for very long. And it's the same thing with these balloons. People just look at them and love them. If this lasted forever, it would just be in the corner in somebody's room and